Hello everyone, hope you're fine and doing well. In this video, I will tell you about how you can solve the Wi-Fi and hotspot problem in your device OnePlus Nord N100. But before starting the video, if you are new to my channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon. Let's move to our topic. If in your device OnePlus Nord N100 you are having any Wi-Fi and hotspot related problem like they are not working or not connecting, you can solve all these by the method as I am showing in this video. So follow the steps and watch complete video and you will learn how you can solve the Wi-Fi and hotspot problem in your device OnePlus Nord N100.